In a small corner of the vast universe, life created on a small planet called Earth evolves over many billions of years, acquires brains, develops science and technology, builds equipment to observe outer space, and in its desire to understand the universe which surrounds it, is now trying desperately to explain it. Observation data captured by the most state-of-the-art observation equipment is continually being accumulated in computers in the form of digital information. Every possible piece of information on the universe known to humanity is accumulated within the computer I reside in. As we freely peruse the voluminous digital data stored here, we will visit the actual spot where stars are on the verge of being born to discover where and how stars come into being.
This is the summit of Mount Mauna Kea, 4,200 meters above sea level on Hawaii Island. This is one of the most ideal sites on the planet for the observation of celestial bodies. Lined up at this site, where the atmosphere is clear and unobscured by city lights, are enormous telescopes from 9 countries around the world, including the United Kingdom, Canada, and the United States. This is the Milky Way, as seen from the summit of Mount Mauna Kea. This is an image taken by an ultra-sensitive camera 10,000 times more sensitive than a normal television camera. The stars are inlaid on the heavens with a radiance akin to an overturned chest of precious gems. There are 200 billion stars clustered together in our galaxy. There, even now, stars are born and stars die, as the drama of the stars is repeated ceaselessly over and over again. Using an ultra-sensitive camera, let's take a look at the site of an actual star birth region. The bright blue stars visible at the center of the picture are the Pleiades of Taurus. They are a cluster of young stars born about 50 million years ago. If we put the age of our sun that was created 4,600 million years ago at 46, then the stars of the Pleiades are infant stars of less than 6 months old. Traces of gas, the material that formed the stars of the Pleiades, emit a blue light around the stars even now. There are said to be about 500 individual stars here, which more or less share the same birthday. It is believed that swirling gas and dust collected in this type of outer space, and that 50 million years ago the stars of the Pleiades were born as a cluster. Stars even younger than those of the Pleiades are being discovered. Beneath the 3 stars of Orion is a nebula dimly visible even with the naked eye. This is the Orion Nebula, considered the most beautiful in the entire heavens. Here are 4 newborn stars that give off an intense light. They bear the name Trapezium. With only a few 100,000 years having lapsed since their creation, each of these stars is far younger than the Pleiades and is, in a manner of speaking, a baby star that has just raised its first cry. Scattered around Trapezium are large amounts of gas and dust, the materials that form stars. This is the M17 Omega Nebula at the center of the Milky Way. Here, at this very moment, is a site where gas and dust are clumping together to create a new star. A star just beginning to emit light makes the clouds of leftover dust and gas around it shine red. This is the M8 Lagoon Nebula. In the middle of this nebula, too, many newborn stars are concealed. Gas and dust which form the stars are in abundance throughout the universe. This is the Horsehead Nebula found in Orion. In the dark space shaped like a horse's head, masses of dust and gas become concentrated and block light from faraway stars. It is thought that one day, even here, many stars will be born. The Hubble Space Telescope is succeeding in closing in on sites where one by one stars reach maturity and begin to give off light. This is the M16 Eagle Nebula, located 7,000 light-years beyond planet Earth. It is a huge mass of gas and dust that will form stars. The Eagle Nebula is found in the Milky Way. The detailed structure of the interior of the Eagle Nebula, that was impossible to capture with huge telescopes on Earth, was clearly captured by the Hubble Space Telescope. These are 3 strange-looking dark columns. They jut out here and there in weird shapes. The gas and dust that form stars glitter from the intense light of the stars behind and rise up in silhouette. Watch the column in the center closely. When seen through a special filter, a white glistening object appears. This is a newborn star. The strange-looking column of gas and dust is a cradle in which stars are created, one after the other. Next, look at the area with the red mark at the lower part of the left-hand column. You can see a star that has blown away the surrounding gas and dust and is beginning to shine brightly. There are small protuberances on the tips of these strangely outstretched columns. The seeds of a star are concealed inside each one. Although they appear small, their size is large enough to contain the entire solar system. As a result of detailed analysis, more than 70 individual newborn stars were discovered in the left-hand column alone. Here, dozens of new stars are being formed at once in a cluster. The Hubble Space Telescope is also successful in capturing actual planet-forming regions. This region is found in the Orion Nebula beneath the 3 stars of Orion. An object resembling an eyeball is visible inside the cloud. This is called a protoplanetary disk. The red star in the center is a star that will soon shine like the sun. The black area enveloping the red star is composed of gas and dust. It is thought that when this gas and dust solidifies, planets like Jupiter and Earth will be formed. One 153 separate protoplanetary disks have been discovered inside the Orion Nebula. The event of planetary formation that occurred 4,600 million years ago in our solar system is occurring even now throughout the Orion Nebula.
Let us explain the process of star formation. The material that is the basis of stars is gas and dust that drift about in outer space. This gathers together and forms protostars that can be likened to star eggs here and there in a nebula.